Hello traders, on today's video we'll be analyzing the top ranking altcoins in Coinmarketcap. So without further ado, let me just dive into the Bitcoin chart over here. And as you guys can see it on the screen, the Bitcoin price is currently facing a resistance of 45,500, and it is quite interesting to see how the next move is going to be. All I'm expecting the Bitcoin price is to break this level from right here, somewhere like this, right? A breakout and maybe a rally somehow like this, reaching out all the way to 47,000. That's the expectation as of now, and maybe from there we might see a further rally, who knows, all the way to 50k as well. But initially it is important for Bitcoin to break this resistance of 45,500, where we can see it that previously also this particular part over here, it broke out below this resistance, and then it was expected to rally, but somewhere we can see that it got rejected, and this rejection was quite bad. And if the same picture takes place in this particular part over here, then it is going to be disturbing, because we might see Bitcoin reaching all the way to 40k, close to 40,800. That's the range that we can see it if we see a rejection from this 45,500. But on the other hand, if we see a rally coming up like this in the Bitcoin price, then it will be quite interesting to see Bitcoin back to 47k. Conclusion: it is quite important for Bitcoin to make a close, the daily close, above this 45,500. That's the expectation. It is quite possible to see rally coming in, but if the close is below this 45,500, then there might be a little what we call it, there might be a little critical situation for Bitcoin, because it might even drop down in this daily time frame. So that's the update for the Bitcoin price. Let's move on to Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum, how Ethereum is doing. Okay, we have the fresh chart of Ethereum over here, where I have not drawn any lines or something like that, but let's quickly draw it and show it to you guys how the chart looks in this daily time frame. Now we have good support at 2200 range on Ethereum, and if we avoid this particular range here, then we can clearly see a resistance that broke out. Actually, it is likely to see the Ethereum price to do good in this daily time frame. Let me just bring it to the 8-hour time frame. Okay, we can see that in this 8-hour time frame, the Ethereum chart has been broken above, and it is currently testing the support level. So from this point, we can clearly see that it is likely to see Ethereum to maintain this 2400 support level here, and if Ethereum manages to hold this level, then we might see a good rally on Ethereum coming in very soon, maybe close to 2600 or 2700 as well. But if Ethereum fails to hold this level, then maybe a rejection all the way to 2200 again, or 2250. That could be the range that we can see Ethereum dropping down. So that's the update for Ethereum. What's the next chart we have? Okay, we have the BNB. Let's quickly scan BNB once and how it is performing. USDT. Okay, let's go to maybe, okay, let's take this KuCoin. All right, here's the interesting thing that we can notice over here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can spot it right there. A nice breakout from this resistance. Talking about the lower support, we have the lower support here, and in this range, support, right? We can see a very good support in this range. So as we have we can witness a breakout taking place on BNB. It is quite important for BNB to hold this support level of 312 USDT, and if BNB manages to hold this level, then we might see a very good rally coming in, maybe reaching out first of all the resistance over here, as you can see it on the screen, the resistance of 340, we can call it, right? 338, but round figure, we can bring it to 340. That's the range that BNB needs to reach out, and if at all we see a good rally coming in, then 340 USDT will be the range where we will see some rejection taking place. But if the price of BNB fails to hold this level, then maybe a rejection all the way to 290 USDT once again. So that's the update for BNB as of now. Moving on to, okay, Solana, Sol. Let's move it on to Sol. Let's quickly type in Sol USDT. Let's see what it has to offer. Okay, Sol. Wow, this is surprising. we have another breakout taking place. This is this is surprising for me to see the altcoins, Ethereum breaking out, broke out. I mean, we have this BNB broke out. Now we have the Sol broke out already from this trend line, and well, things might be positive in the market to see all this breakout that is taking place, but it gives a little skeptical situation as well. And the reason is the Bitcoin chart, because the Bitcoin is at the resistance over here, and if this resistance doesn't break out, then there's a higher risk, because along with Bitcoin, the other altcoins will also drop. Now, talking about this breakout in Seoul, we can see that it is important, like the BNB, to hold this support level of maybe 101 or 100 USDT. That will be the good support range for Solana. Talking about the lower support, then maybe the symmetrical triangle would do the justice of holding 92 USDT or maybe 91 USDT as a support in Solana, and that will be the range that we can see it. But if you are into Sol with a long-term perspective, and if you have taken Sol somewhere at around 50 USDT, maybe lower than that or less than that, then that's a very good range to hold on to it. But if you are a trader of futures, a trader or leverage trader, then maybe you can look into it and maybe try to do more research on this. So talking about this breakout right here, if this level holds on, then we might see Solana, the first level will be close to 114, where we have a slight resistance, as you can see it on the screen, slight resistance over here, and ultimately the resistance of this level of 126 USDT. So that's the range that I can see it on Solana. Let's move on to another altcoin that we have it on the screen. XRP. Wow, it's been a while I haven't checked XRP. Let's quickly check it today and what it has to offer. Okay, XRP looks interesting. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I can see it again, and this is quite surprising. Ethereum, now we have BNB, we have Solana, and now XRP breaking out. And this is quite nice to see how all the altcoins are breaking out. So this breakout is a breakout from this falling wedge pattern on XRP, which is quite good, and it is trying to reverse the trend. But reversing the trend will be like once we see a breakout above this level of 0.52, right? Or maybe for better confirmation, a breakout above 0.53 will do a justice of a trend reversal, where we will see rising wedge pattern formation coming in on XRP. Well, if the XRP holds this breakout, then maybe there's a higher tendency to see XRP reaching to 5.53, or maybe reaching out to maybe 0.55. That's the range we can see it on XRP. On the worst case scenario, drop all the way to 4.47. That could be the range that we can see it, but looks good in this time frame of 8 hours. The XRP chart looks good, and this breakout could be a very good confirmation where we will see a good rally on XRP coming in. Let's move on to the other altcoin that we have. Right, we have Cardano over here. Let's not do USDC. Let's go to Cardano and let's check what Cardano has to offer. So ADA or ADA, I don't know how to pronounce it. ADA or ADA, whatever it is. Let's quickly check it out. Okay, Cardano. I don't know why am I saying this all the time. Another breakout. To be honest, I'm surprised to see all the breakouts that are taking place in the altcoin right now. Now, this breakout looks good, and we can see it the way the breakout is taking place, and the current price is resting at 0.53. So that's the range we can see it as of now. Well, talking about the lower support, maybe somewhere down here we can take this as a support over here, right? Or maybe we can bring down somewhere like this as well for the support. This could be also a support over here, as we can see it on the screen, right? So that's the support range that we can see it on Cardano right now. So The same procedure will follow here, the same strategy that Cardano needs to hold this breakout level, and if it is successfully holding this level, then we might see the rally coming in. Maybe the first will be close to 0.56 or 0.58. That would be the range where we'll be seeing the Cardano price to go next, and maybe in a good rally close to 62, 0.62 as well. That's the thing that we can see it on Cardano right now. Talking about the support, then 0.48 to 5.5 is a very good support on Cardano. Let's move on to another altcoin that we have it on the list. We have AVAX. Okay, let's do AVAX very quickly, and we'll be checking how the AVAX is doing. AVAX USDT. Okay, so AVAX, let's go to KuCoin. Okay, now this is the AVAX chart in this 8-hour time frame, and this looks pretty okay. If we have to draw it over here, then nice breakout, but this is long gone. So let's quickly check it out from this point over here. AVAX is currently, I don't know whether we call it this, whether we call this a breakout, or looks like a breakout to me, but it is quite critical, to be honest. But anyways, let's quickly check it out. We can see AVAX trying to show some breakout move over here in this 8-hour time frame. Let's quickly check it out on the daily time frame as well. Daily time frame also looks okay to me, where we can see RSI still have a lot of room for a momentum over here, where we might see AVAX reaching to $41 or maybe close to $48 or $49 once again. So that's the expectation that we can keep it. Let's move on to the weekly chart. So the weekly chart looks somewhere like this, where we have the resistance at 38 USDT. So that's the range we can keep it on AVAX as of now. It will be quite interesting to see how AVAX will perform. If the breakout is too good to be true, then we might see the rally coming in. Let's move on to another altcoin. We have Dogecoin. So let's type in Dogecoin USDT, or maybe we can just type with Doge USDT. Coinbase. Okay, I've already drawn the chart over here. Now we can see it on Dogecoin. Nothing much. It is just at the support level of 0.078. The current price is at 0.08. So we might see Dogecoin reaching out to 0.085. That's the range we can see it as of now, where we have the resistance. And if Dogecoin is able to break this level, then we might see a higher rally, maybe close to 0.09. So that's the level I'm expecting on Dogecoin, with the support level of 0.078. That will be a very good support, and Dogecoin should not break this level, because once it does, it will create a very critical situation for Dogecoin. So let's quickly move on to the next altcoin that we have. We have TRX Tron. Let's check it out, what Tron has to offer. TRX USDT. This is Tron, by the way. Tron is doing pretty well. Well, looking into this chart, what I can see is that if you are into this trade with leverage, then I think you can book some profits, because there's a higher chances for Tron to make a downshift after a good rally that we can see it on the screen right now. Let's quickly check it out in the daily time frame. Daily time frame shows the same thing. A good breakout that took place, and now we can see that long shadows are forming over here, and there's a higher chances for retracement to take place, because the RSI is already at the overbought zone. So there are chances that a sell-off will take place very soon in TRX. But if you're a long player, and maybe if you have taken TRX at the bottom, then you can keep a hold on this. Okay, the weekly time frame showcase something like this. We can see a slight resistance over here. We can see it. Yeah, this is the resistance, and TRX is currently at the resistance, and if the weekly close turns out to be red, then that will be a sign. Okay, interesting thing here is TRX, the chart, the price is making a upper rally, but the RSI is losing the momentum in this weekly time frame. So this means a bearish divergence. So it is most likely to see that TRX will show some correction in the market very soon. All right, let's move on to another altcoin that we have. Okay, let's go to Chainlink. Let's see how Chainlink is doing. We have Link over here, USDT, Coinbase. All right, Chainlink is currently showing a resistance. Let me just quickly show where we have good. Okay, here we are. Weekly time frame, Chainlink is showing a resistance as well. This part right here, it is showing a resistance. So those who are into Chainlink with leverage, I believe it's a very good time for you guys to book some profits, because resistance, this is not the zone that you would like to see your altcoins after such a good rally that took place. Let's quickly go to 8-hour time frame and let's analyze more. Okay, in this 8-hour time frame, we can see that a nice breakout has taken place somehow after such a good rally. How much was it? From this bottom, we can see it is already 47% rally already. So I guess it will be good to book some profits and then maybe look for another re-entry, only for the leverage trading. But maybe for the long-term traders, those who are holding this for quite long, purchased at the bottom, you can do DCA, right? Keeping all your accumulations, the past accumulations, I mean, and then you can accumulate more if you want to. That's the analysis that I can see it on Chainlink as of now, because the high time frame shows resistance zone over here, and so yeah, that's what I can see it as of now on Chainlink. Okay, the last altcoin that we will be verifying will be Polkadot. So let's quickly check out on Polkadot and we'll be concluding this video. We have come to the end of this video as of now. Okay, Polkadot, we have it all. We can see it. Polkadot in this daily time frame showing a nice breakout over here in this daily time frame, and this breakout could be good because the RSI already have a good momentum to go. And from this point, we might see a good rally in Polkadot, where the first attempt will be to reach out to $7.6 and the next will be $8.4, or in the last rally will be close to $9.2. That's the range we can see it as per this breakout is concerned. Talking about the support level, then I think we can see this as a good support over here, right? Close to 64 USDT. So that's a support range as of now. Breaking below this level will not be good for Polkadot, but as per the breakout is concerned, I'm looking forward to a higher rally in Polkadot. So that's the update, guys. I hope you find this video informative. Please do not consider this as a financial advice. This video is only meant for education purpose. So if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more of this kind of video coming in, then do like, share and subscribe and share your views as well. Take care, trade safe, God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.